Hello friends, welcome back. We are back here with a new and very important topic of English language. Today we are going to study the topic sentence. In various examinations, in various competitive examinations, we find such questions as put the words in proper order in order to make a meaningful sentence. Also, reorder the words to make a meaningful sentence. When such questions come, the examinees face the same problem. What is the proper order? Which word should be used first? Which word should follow that? And this problem can be solved so easily if we understand the sentence properly. So, come, let's understand the sentence, its nature, its various types, how to put them in an order, what is the proper order, what is the correct order, what is the incorrect order, in a step-by-step manner. So today we are going to study sentence and its types. Look at the first two rows. Here I have given two sets of groups of words. The first set is sky, fly, birds, the, in. And the second group of words is the birds fly in the sky. Looking at these two rows, we can say that the first row of words, which form a group of words, has no meaning in themselves. But the second group of words, look in proper order. They have been placed in a correct order. So they make a sense, they make a complete sense, they make a meaning. So we have seen here that in the second group of words, there are two conditions which have been fulfilled. The first condition is that here there is a group of words, and the second condition is that this group of words makes a complete sense. So, what is the definition of sentence? The definition of sentence is a group of words which makes a complete sense is called a sentence. A sentence should be a group of words. So, one condition has been fulfilled in both these rows. Another condition is it should make a complete sense. This second condition has not been fulfilled in the first group of words here, but it has been fulfilled in the second row, in the second group of words. So, the second row fulfills all the conditions of the definition of the sentence. The words, so as an example, we can say that the birds fly in the sky is a sentence, not sky fly birds the in. One thing is noticeable, that is, the words should be placed in a proper or correct order. So, what is the proper or what is the correct order? That we will understand, that we will study step by step. First, we are going to study about the types of sentences. There are 5 types of sentences, and in all those 5 types of sentences, there are different types of structures of sentences. What are those? So, now we are going to study the types of sentences one by one. There are 5 types of sentences. The first is assertive, the second is interrogative, the third is imperative, the fourth is exclamatory, and the fifth is optative sentence. Now, we will take the first type of sentence, that is assertive sentence. The assertive sentence is a statement and it talks about assertion, plain assertion, simply saying something. It can be divided in 2 categories. The first category is positive or affirmative sentence. Positive or affirmative sentence talks simply a statement. It talks simply about a statement, and the structure of such sentences, like first we will use subject, then comes verb, then comes object. So the structure is subject plus verb plus object. Take an example. Hari reads a book. Here in this sentence, Hari is the subject, reads is the verb, and a book is object. So let us take the second category, negative. Negative sentence means there will be the use of not, no, never. It talks about negation, rejection. In such sentences we find that some work does not happen. So what is the structure of negative sentences? Usually in a negative sentence, subject comes first, like the positive sentences. Then comes helping verb, and after that not, and then main verb is used, and finally object is used. Take the example. Hari does not read the book. Here Hari is subject, does is helping verb, not has been used, and this use of not makes the sentence negative. It is noteworthy. Then comes read, that is main verb, and the book is object. So this is the structure of words in the negative sentences. So by now we have seen the structures of sentences of positive and negative sentences of assertive sentence.